You've probably been told memory loss is just part of getting older. But what if that's not really true? What if your memory problems have less to do with age and more to do with what you're feeding your brain? Because here's the shocking truth. Your brain doesn't wear out with time. It simply runs out of the nutrients that keep it sharp, focused, and full of energy. And the sad part, most of us start cutting back on exactly those nutrients after 50. So before you accept that forgetfulness is just aging, let's uncover what's really going on and 3 powerful foods that can help your brain wake up again. When your memory starts slipping, it's not your mind that's failing, it's your metabolism. Think of your brain as a light bulb. It needs steady power to shine bright. But as we age, our brain's wiring gets coated in sugar and inflammation from years of processed foods, refined oils, and stress. That buildup blocks signals and slows brain energy, what researchers call metabolic slowdown of the brain. That's why you may lose focus mid-conversation, misplace things, or struggle to recall names. It's not your age, it's your brain running on low-quality fuel. But here's the good news. You can feed that light bulb back to full brightness with just a few simple foods. First, omega-3 rich foods, especially those high in DHA and EPA. These 2 special types of omega-3s are found mainly in wild salmon, sardines, mackerel, and anchovies. Your brain actually builds its cell membranes from DHA. Without it, those cells stiffen up, making communication between brain cells sluggish, like static on a phone line. EPA, on the other hand, calms inflammation inside your brain, keeping your neurons young and flexible. Together, DHA and EPA act like oil for your mental engine. Try adding 2 servings of fatty fish a week, or take a purified fish oil or algae-based omega-3 supplement if you don't eat seafood. Within a few weeks, many people notice clearer thinking, less mental fatigue, and improved mood. Second, deeply colored berries, especially blueberries, blackberries, and cranberries. These fruits are rich in polyphenols and anthocyanins, which help clean out toxic buildup and improve blood flow to the brain. Think of them as little vacuum cleaners for your neurons, sweeping away waste so your memory pathways stay clear. Studies show seniors who eat a handful of berries daily may perform better on memory and coordination tests. Frozen berries work just as well, so keep a bag in your freezer and blend them into yogurt or smoothies. Third, choline-rich foods like eggs, liver, and broccoli. Choline is the building block for acetylcholine, the neurotransmitter that controls memory and learning. It's like the save button for your brain, helping you store and retrieve information faster. Many people stopped eating eggs because of cholesterol fears, but new research shows that for most healthy adults, eggs don't raise heart risk, they fuel the brain instead. 1 or 2 boiled eggs a day can make a real difference for focus, alertness, and even mood stability. And here's a bonus tip. Don't forget your minerals. Even mild dehydration or low magnesium can cause brain fog and fatigue. Drink mineral-rich water or add a pinch of sea salt and a squeeze of lemon for natural electrolytes. It's a small step that helps your neurons fire smoothly throughout the day. So, imagine this. Your brain feeling alive again. Sharper focus, faster recall, better energy. And not because of a magic pill, but because you're finally giving your brain what it's been missing all along. Remember, your brain can regenerate at any age. It just needs the right environment and the right fuel. If you'd like a simple daily roadmap to restore your mental clarity, boost memory, and protect your brain as you age, download our Stay Sharp After 60 30-Day Brain Health Blueprint. It's a gentle, senior-friendly plan filled with foods, habits, and daily steps to rebuild your cognitive strength naturally. And if you found this video helpful, you'll love the video showing on your screen right now, where we uncover something surprising, a common fitness supplement that may also boost brain power. You'll want to see this one. So let me ask, which of these brain foods will you start adding to your meals this week? Share your answer below, because the conversation that follows might inspire someone else to start feeding their brain too.